Are you tired of struggling to save money or feel like you're trapped in a labyrinth of expenses? Fear not, as we reveal 5 free money-saving platforms with the potential to help you save $4,000 or more every single year. So wave goodbye to your financial woes and let the wizardry of these platforms lead you to a more stable path of enduring financial progress. Without further ado, let's get right into it. For our first money-saving masterpiece, allow me to introduce you to the wonders of gift card savings through a platform called Raise. With Raise, you can unlock incredible savings everywhere you shop, from discounted gift cards to cashback treasures. Elevate your everyday purchases, whether shopping or dining out, and watch your savings soar. Here's the magic behind it. Gift card owners offer their unwanted cards for up to 85% cashback, so you can simply grab the ones you desire at a nicely discounted price. Explore a vast selection of your favorite stores like Target, Best Buy, Lowe's and Home Depot, and indulge in delightful dining experiences at Starbucks, Olive Garden and Panera. Even travel and entertainment-related gift cards are sprinkled with great discounts. No matter the category you seek, Raise holds the key to your desires. I've personally saved around $50 in just a few months on purchases I'd make anyway. Depending on how much spending you do, the enchanting savings of this powerful platform can reach upwards of $200 to $1,000 every year. Unleash the magic for yourself by signing up for Raise through the link in the description below. The next money-saving platform on our list is Dosh. This magical platform offers automatic cashback at thousands of places. Shop, dine, or book hotels and watch the savings unfold. The best part? It's completely automatic. No coupons or scanning receipts required. Simply download the app, activate the offers, connect your payment methods, and let the cashback flow on most of your everyday purchases. I've been under Dosh's spell for just a few years and have already earned around $100 without lifting a finger. But hold on to your hat, big spenders, as Dosh has the potential to conjure up $50 to $200 or even more each year. Don't let this easy saving opportunity pass you by. Embark on your cashback adventure with Dosh today. Next up is the extraordinary budgeting and expense-cutting marvel, Rocket Money, the money app that works for you. Taming your finances is no easy feat, but fear not, for Rocket Money is here to empower you. Witness the magic of saving more, spending less, and reclaiming control over your financial life. Harness Rocket Money's power to conquer unwanted subscriptions. Find and track them effortlessly. Stay ahead of your spending with a mesmerizing breakdown of your finances, revealing where your money flows and how to enhance it. But that's not all. Automatic savings, credit score tracking, bill negotiation, budgeting, and a net worth tracker await your command. But how much can you save? Prepare to save anywhere from $200 to $2,000 each year as you monitor your budget, cut expenses, and banish undesired subscriptions. The value Rocket Money brings to your financial journey surpasses anything I've ever witnessed. I highly recommend it for anyone trying to gain control over their finances, which hopefully is everybody. Behold the next mystical marvel on our list. Drop, the wondrous app that allows you to buy what you want and get rewarded. Similar to Dosh, it works its magic automatically once you connect your credit and debit cards. But there's a twist. Instead of mere cash back, Drop grants you enchanting points for all eligible purchases, a gateway to captivating rewards like gift cards, cryptocurrency, and exclusive offers. The potential for savings may seem modest, yet in just 1 year, the magic of Drop can bless you with $20 to $200 in easy cashback rewards. And for the seasoned card swipers among us, the treasure trove of savings knows no bounds. Unlock the enchantment of Drop and watch your rewards multiply. Before we unveil our final money-saving masterpiece, let me ask, have those soaring gas prices taken a toll on you? Fear not, for the solution lies within an app by the name of Upside, the unrivaled cashback app for all your gas expenses. With Upside, app users earn cash back, businesses earn proven profit, and communities thrive. Upside joins forces with over 50,000 nearby businesses, conjuring irresistible offers you won't find elsewhere, but the enchantment doesn't stop at gas. Upside unlocks boundless cashback possibilities at your beloved local restaurants and stores. You can embrace this magic by claiming an offer, paying with your preferred method, and awaiting your cashback. While mostly automatic, a small dose of effort opening the app and claiming offers ensures your savings will materialize. The potential for riches is simply extraordinary. Explore Upside's mystical cashback calculator on their website, unveiling the true value this enchanting app will pose to your own financial journey. Depending on your driving, shopping, and dining habits, Upside can shower you with $100 to $1,000 in savings every year. There's no downside to an app like this, only upside. With these 5 platforms as your trusty allies, you hold the potential to save a spectacular amount of money every single year, freeing up your finances for more important endeavors. As you claim your well-earned savings and rewards, my hope is that you would be re-energized with a newfound financial purpose to eradicate every financial hardship you may face. I offer my sincerest gratitude for joining me on this enchanting quest. If our magical insights have provided you with joy or insight, I humbly ask that you grant us the seal of your support by liking, subscribing, and commenting below, ensuring that together we can continue to spread financial wisdom. Take care, dear friends, until we meet again on our next video.